Can you say it?
Hook echo.
There's a hook echo?
Yes.
Where?
With,
The whole thing? Where's the tornado at? Can you show me where the tornado is?
yeah.
Where's the tornado? Point to the tornado. Point to it. Touch it. Where is it?
Right there.
Right there. I think you're right. Let's look at the other screen. Oops.
Poke ends. Poke ends.
There it is. Look, Zoe, what is that?
Tornado.
It's a tornado?
Yeah. Poke.
What did the tornado hit?
Tree.
It hit tree? Do you see a tree?
Yes. Right there.
Yeah, those are trees right there. You're right.
It hit the tree. That's it.
Yeah. What does a tornado do? Can you show me what a tornado does?
Yes.
What does a tornado do? What's a tornado do?
Fly sky.
Flies in the sky? Does it spin around?
Yeah.
Can you spin around like a tornado?
Yes.
Can you show me? Spin around like a tornado. Oh, you trying to plug my... Can you plug it in? You got it. Good job. Can you spin around like a tornado?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Do your best tornado impression. What are you doing?